Eddie, how does a fish swim? Ah, that's cool fish. And what does it do with its mouth when it's swimming? So Maddie, what noise do you think a skink might make?
Like that.
And what is a skink? Can we see them?
There's
There's a few of them there. Oh, here's one.
He's a moon.
He is.
I'm a big girl.
And what noise? Remind me again what noise they might make? And how does a crocodile move? Oh, shakes its bum. And what does its mouth do when it eats? Can you do a big snappy crocodile with your hands? Oh, is that how it does it? Oh, good. Good job. Here we go. See if they'll go up now. See if you'll put your hand down next to it and see if they'll come up. Put it in front of it, darling. Put your hand right in front of it. Yeah. Oh, it's on me. It's on my foot.
I'm too scared.
See if you put your finger just in front of it. Like this. Up. Off you went. Unicorn. And what colour is it? Pink. It is. It's got pink here, eh? Should we have a little look closer up? It's a unicorn. A girl unicorn. Is she pretty? What about the big one? Give us a wave, Maddie. Now look at me when you wave. Oh, good. Cool unicorn. What have we found, Maddie? Maddie, what have we found? Mermaid. Wow, is she beautiful? Oh, wow, who else is beautiful?
That one and that one.
Oh, two mermaids. Wow. Cool mermaids, eh?
Look at that one.
That one, she's pretty.
Look at that one with that purple thing.
Oh, wow.
She doesn't have any.
Oh, there's a little one down the bottom. Yeah, cool. What do you think of the mermaids? What noise does a goat make? Like that? Yeah. I thought, do you want to have a go? How does it go? Close enough. There you go. Pull your arm out nice and strong. Oh, Maddie, good girl. Good girl, Maddie. Say hello. Oh, he said hello. Oh, he's going to crawl up.
Trying to get a better view of you.
Oh, there we are. This is awesome. And what does he say? One hit. What does a rabbit say? It doesn't really say much, does it? Sheep. That's a sheep. Rabbit doesn't say sheep. What is it, rabbit? How does it bounce? Can you show me how a rabbit bounces? Oh, that's good.
Little bunny.
That's a guinea pig. That's a guinea pig, darling. He's got a little snuffly nose. Can you do a little snuffly nose? Like... Close enough. He's a bit broody. Don't go too close. He goes, ha ha! Hello? 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 He's a bit cold.
Cold.
Oh, he said hello.
I don't.
What noise does a pig make? No. You do that one? Oh, that's cool. Is he a pretty pig? Pretty pig?
Yeah.
Not really pretty, in the classic sense. What do you think? Is he pretty pig?
Nah.
Where are we? We're on...
That's right.
And what does the train say?
Choo-choo.
Choo choo! Really? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Cool, let's sit down. What do you think of the dinosaurs?
Little one.
There's a little one, but what do you think of them?
Yeah, I think of them they climb and be naughty.
Are they naughty? Do you like them?
Take these off.
Because they'll kick us out. You see they're down here in the water, darling? What noise do you reckon otters make, Maddie?
What is in the water?
Yeah, what noise do you reckon they make? Make one up if you don't know.
Maybe they're flying so they make this.
Maybe. How does a butterfly fly, Maddie? Aww, that's good butterflying. How does butterfly smile? Wow, that's a crazy butterfly smile.